everyone, it's Lizette from Crochet Designs. I'm going to show you how to put eyeliner on amigurumi. All you need is scissors. They gotta be fancy ones. It doesn't work with plain scissors. Bent yarn needle, and whatever color yarn you want to make the eyeliner. I did one eye on this one, and I'll put it on the other one so you can see the difference. This is the finished look of the doll I'm working on. Her name is Twigalina, and there are her eyes with the yarn eyeliner around it. I always cut a longer piece of yarn than I think I'll need, because the worst case scenario is that you're almost done with the eye and then you run out of yarn, or it's hard to tie it at the end. The first spot I start at, I take the needle from the inside, and you can see on the finished one here, here's the hole that's in the center of the eye. Just go up one more row, and I start there. So here's the middle of the eye hole, and then I'm going to come up one. So there's my needle. And when you pull it through, leave a little tail end. So we're going to tie that together with the other end when we're done. And then to find the spot where we go in, on the other side of the eye, we go in the hole that's in the center, that lines up with the center of the eye. So right in there. And again, try to kind of go a little bit under the eye, and that's why we put these on first before we do this, obviously. And get that in there. And when you pull it through, you don't want to pull too tight, because you want it to stay laying nice on top of the eyeball. You don't want it, to do that where you pull too tight and then it's like, now she looks sad. So push it up a little and just don't pull really tight. The next spot we're going to come up is one stitch to the right of where we just went in. So we went in here, we're going to come up here. So we can get that winged eyeliner look. And go right back in to this spot where we came down before. Trying to get close and slightly under the eye there. Don't pull really tight so you can really see it. See the finished one there? We're doing that little part there. It's like a makeup tutorial. Now we're going to do the last little bit of eyelash. From this hole, come up one. And we're going to come up through that hole. So right there. Pull up. Again, not too tight. And again back down where all these other two are coming in and out of. Trying to get as close as possible. And if that happens where like one is tighter than the other, you can always with your needle kind of like pull it loose like that, so you can see it better. So the eye is done, and now we're just going to tie it off. So you look so much cuter. So you're going to flip it inside out. I know it looks like a mess in here. So what I do, I just cut the excess, and I just tie these two ends together, but I try to go around this backing here, like that. Regular knot, nothing special. And then I do it again, because I'm paranoid and I don't want anything to come loose. Sometimes I do 3. And that is it. And you just leave that in there. You're gonna stuff this later. No one's gonna see that. Isn't she beautiful? So here she is again, finished. Twigalina. I love her hair. Alright, thanks for watching.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?